Hi there, students. A fug. Fug, F-U-G, 3 letters. Okay, this is a room that is poorly ventilated. It's the atmosphere in a place like this. So, I went into the party and there was a fug in the air. It was smelly, it was smoky, there was no free air. Yeah, the fug of cigarette smoke. In the past, pubs used to have a fug of cigarette smoke, but not anymore because you're not allowed to smoke in them. Okay, so a fug, it's like a stuffy atmosphere, a poorly ventilated space. Yeah, so there was a fug. It was stuffy and bad smelling. And then you could have fuggy as an adjective. Stuffy, suffocating, thick, stifling, oppressive. Okay, so a fug is a heavy, stale atmosphere, normally in an overcrowded place that's poorly ventilated. Okay, maybe you have a meeting in a small room with lots of people, and after a couple of hours in that meeting, there is a horrible fug in the room. It's a hot, stale, suffocating atmosphere. Notice this word fug is, I think, very British. I'm not sure the Americans would understand this word, but a fug. The atmosphere in a crowded place when the air's not pure and there's smoke. I looked through the fug to see if I could find my friends. I guess a nightclub, or certainly in the past, a good nightclub certainly had a fug to it. Or maybe on a rainy day, on a cold rainy day, you go into a place which is full of people, and there's almost like this condensation on the wall. There's this fug inside, so it's a heavy, musty, stuffy, unpleasant atmosphere. It's in a poorly ventilated place. I guess I could say my mind was in a fug. Yeah, I was in a fug. My mind was confused or chaotic, or perhaps in a bit of a daze. I think that's perhaps less common, but as well to fug, to create a one of these this type of atmosphere. So a smelly, reeking fug. Yeah, the fug of cigarette smoke. What a terrible fug there is in here. Please, can we open a window and let some air in? Let's ventilate it a little bit. So it's stuffy, it's smoky, it's fusty, it's stale, it's stuffy, it's a rather nasty, rough atmosphere. Yeah, a fuggy atmosphere. There you go. Okay, so yeah, it's a fuggy. There's fuggy air. You can't see through the fug. Okay, so a fug of cigarette smoke, a fug of unwashed bodies. It's stuffiness, it's fustiness. It's talking about stale air. It's close and muggy and rather fetid, and it stinks. Yeah, it's musty and it reeks of bleh. Okay, so yeah, there's a fug in here. Please open the window. Okay, you need to clear some of the fug from your brain. Go outside and clear your mind. Okay, so I looked through the fug. Yeah. So what about formality? A fug. I'm going to give this, I think, a 4.5 in formality. Yeah, 4.5 in formality. Use informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. I'm not sure I would use it in something very formal. And then as to origin, the origin maybe is quite difficult. I think maybe it's related to the English word fog. There's an old slang British word, foggo, meaning a stench. Maybe it's a mix of fog and funk. Yeah, but, well, a fug. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Fug, a fug.